Midwest City right now. All this water. Also this. Midwest City right now. I'm pretty sure if I could, I'm pretty sure if I got a boat, I could go swim in that. And it's still raining. If I had a ruler, I would put in the water, see how deep the rain is. Right now, it looks like 2-3 inches high off of the dirt, which is completely saturated. So like, subscribe, comment, which is comments, and bye. Record-breaking rain, 14 inches of rain within the past month. All of this is just rain from today. Record-breaking rain, 14 inches within the past month.